Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Put your Airpods in, make sure they show as connected in Bluetooth, and unlock your Android phone. Once done, open the Google app because that is where Assistant device settings live. You need to be signed into your main Google account so changes apply. Make sure Airpods are active so the phone exposes related options, otherwise you'll miss headphone-specific toggles. This prepares the system so the next steps actually show the right controls. Now go into the Google app profile, tap Settings, then Google Assistant. Scroll to Devices or Headphones and select your Airpods from the list. They appear only when connected. Inside that entry, toggle off any option labeled Use Assistant, Enable Voice Activation, or Access Assistant from headphones. Doing this stops the double tap or squeeze from invoking Google Assistant. Make sure you save or confirm changes. Some phones apply Finish by restarting your phone and reconnecting the Airpods, then test the tap or squeeze gesture to confirm Assistant no longer launches. If it still triggers, open Bluetooth settings for the Airpods and disable phone audio or unpair and repair to force fresh settings. As a stronger fix, turn off the Assistant hot word globally or update the Google app and Airpods firmware. Clearing the Google app cache can remove stuck permissions. If nothing works, temporarily unpair the Airpods to block Assistant completely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.